Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Pearls, the biggest 5 DePIN Network airdrop project. Grass, Nodepay, Gradient, Dawn, Bless. So guys, let's get started. Before we get into Grass 101, let's start with an analogy to understand what unused internet means. Think of your home internet like a big highway with multiple lanes. Most of the time, many of those lanes are empty. This is your unused internet bandwidth, or what we call unused internet for short. Grass acts like a digital toll booth, an effortless way to earn rewards for sharing those unused lanes with verified institutions. The Grass network makes it possible for companies to reward you for supplying the bandwidth they need to make better products and services. The tasks companies perform with your unused bandwidth might include checking local prices, viewing regional ads, or academic research. Unlike the existing software on your devices that automatically shares your bandwidth, Grass lets you pause sharing whenever you want. Grass, redefining the internet's incentive structures. Over the past few weeks, we've been releasing content to explain Grass's role in the AI stack. As you now know, the protocol performs a number of functions that help builders access web data to train their models with. Today, we'll explore the concept of Grass Points, the system that tracks your contributions to the Grass app. Continue reading to discover how you can reap the benefits as one of the early users of Grass. Earning Grass Points. Grass Points can be earned in several ways. Currently, users can earn points by downloading and running the Grass desktop app, as well as referring new users. Nodepay Airdrop. Turn your idle internet into a source of income with that Nodepay_AI's new network earning module. By simply being online, you can contribute your bandwidth and earn money while browsing, streaming, or just being connected. You'll not only make extra cash, but also support important AI training processes. Head to the Nodepay registration page and create your account. As an early adopter, you benefit from selling your unused bandwidth and earn a share in an innovative network. Log into your Nodepay dashboard and click on Connect to download the Nodepay extension on your Chrome browser. Follow at Nodepay_AI on X and find free points before they're gone. Once installed, open the extension and click Activate to start earning points. Also, share your referral link with friends to earn plus 100 points for each invitation. How to stay updated on the listing. Staying in the loop about Nodepay's listing is pretty straightforward, but you gotta be proactive. Here are a few tips. Follow Nodepay's official channels. Whether it's Twitter, Telegram, or their website, these are your go-to sources for the latest news. Join crypto communities. Platforms like Reddit and Discord are buzzing with discussions and updates. It's a great way to hear what other investors are saying. Use crypto news sites. Websites dedicated to crypto news often have sections for upcoming listings and token releases. What is Gradient and how to earn rewards? The Gradient network is built on Solana and aims to scale up cloud computing by introducing edge computing through a decentralized network of devices to process data. Users can now download the Gradient browser extension and earn rewards by setting up a node. Key takeaways. The Gradient network aims to solve scalability issues of cloud computing by introducing edge computing through a decentralized network of devices to process data efficiently. It is led by Yuan Gao, who previously served as head of growth at Helium Foundation, and has received support from Multicoin Capital, Pantera Capital, and Sequoia Capital. The protocol is now running Season 0 of its Phase 1, where users can download the Gradient browser extension and earn rewards. Register your account. First, head to https://gradient.network where you can join Gradient's Phase 1. You will need to provide an email address to sign up for an account. Alternatively, you can also choose to sign up with Google. In this guide, we will sign up using an email address. After that, you can input a referral code to receive 3000 EXP and a 2% reward boost. This is an optional step, but given the opportunity to receive a boost, it is worthwhile to find a referral code even if you don't have any connections already on Gradient. Dawn Protocol Airdrop Details. Dawn Protocol has implemented a validated extension rewards system where users can earn points through various activities. While these points are currently part of a rewards program, they could potentially be considered for a future token distribution, though this remains speculative. How to participate in Dawn Protocol's rewards program. Navigate to the official Dawn website. Use referral code for YGWY3KW during setup to unlock the account. Install the Dawn Validator extension. Connect your extension to start earning points. Maintain active connection status to earn rewards. Follow them on X, Discord, and Telegram through the links in the extension to receive 5,000 points each. Share your referral code with others to increase earnings. Reward structure. Daily connection rewards, up to 1,440 points per 24-hour period. Social media engagement, 5,000 points for each platform follow. Referral bonus, 20% of referred users earn points. Validator node participation rewards. You can complete social tasks on the Achievements tab and get a boost to points farming. Go to the website and register. Install and launch the extension. Ensure your node is connected. Invite friends in the Referrals tab and earn achievements in the Achievements tab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on your problem in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.